Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie Limited. The exterior color is pearl white, and under the hood we have a 5.7-liter Hemi engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have LED daytime running lights as well as HID headlamps. We also have front-facing park sensors, an engine block heater connection, and 2 tow hooks. Over at the side, we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires. We also have a pair of running boards as well as chrome mirror caps and door handles. At the rear, we have privacy tinted windows, and up top we have our moonroof. This Ram 1500 also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have a trailer tow package, and underneath we have our spare fifth wheel, as well as reverse sensors paired to a backup camera. Inside the box, we have a spray and bedliner, and at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with a power slide window. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors that are also heated. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our information trackpad and hands-free controls located to the left. Over at the right, we have our cruise control settings. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. We also have our beautiful moonroof. And as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful black leather seating that comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support as well as memory seating for the driver. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 69,208 kilometers on this beautiful Ram 1500. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Uconnect LCD touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, climate control, navigation, as well as other apps, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Our driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our entertainment and media controls, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy air-conditioned and heated seats, and our driver can enjoy a heated steering wheel. We have a turn-dial gear shift, as well as console storage, dual cup holders, and a center console that provides even more storage. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage, as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. At the rear of our center console, we have a 12-volt adapter, and our outwards passengers can also enjoy heated seats. And our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ram 1500, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.